Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about DIY nail, so do it yourself. So I'm trying to do my own nails, and these are the things that I will be using today. So this is the Kiss 100 tips. So this is a curved one. I bought it from Target. So there's the curved one, so I'm gonna be using this one today, and I'm also gonna be using this pink powder. You could go to any of your beauty store and get the pink powder or the white ones, but today I'm gonna use the white one. I'm also gonna use the glue. This is the nail glue, and this is the Kiss activator. You could get this at Walmart, Target, anywhere. So I'm gonna use this today. And then the nail polish that I'm gonna be using today is the Kiss gel polish. This one is in Paradise, so I'm gonna use this one today. And for my side, like over here, the gold one or the silver one today, I'm not sure yet. But if you want to see this process, continue watching. And yeah, so first thing first, you want to clean your nails. I already had the reason my nails look like this because I just took my acrylics out, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. If you want to clean this up, you just need your nail remover. So you could just put this in a cotton ball and just start removing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I went ahead and prepped my nails. I make sure I took the nail polish remover and I just cleaned my nail tip. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to just want to clean it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to measure out my tips for my nails, and I'm just gonna line them up here. This is a nail clipper, like a nail cutter. So I bought this. I also have this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, like measure them out, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, so I went ahead and lined them up, measured them up, make sure it's good. So it also comes with the glue, the Kiss glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my nails on. Okay, so now I have my nails on. What I'm gonna do is try to cut it. So you could take a regular nail clipper, but this is for long nails. So I'm gonna use it and cut it to the size that I want, to the length I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I already did the coat, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. So what you wanna do is take your glue, dip it, and just make sure you have glue all over your tip. And make sure it's all over. Make sure you have good glue. And then what you want to do now is dip it into your powder. Just dip it in. Take your activator and just go through it. And that's how you do it. Don't worry about around it. You're just gonna have to clean it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it one more coat, and I'll show you what's next. Okay, so I finished dipping my nail in the powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and shape it now. And this is pretty hard, so I'm gonna shape it to how you like it. So I like it square and nice, so I'm just gonna go ahead and shape it. So as you can see, I finished one side of my nails and it's perfect. I like the length. And you just take your nail file, and you don't need a drill or anything. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna use this, and it gets the job done. So as you can see, I finished one side. I'm gonna go ahead and file the other side. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I finished all my nails. This is how it looks. And yeah, this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and use a smooth nail file and just start to file them, like to make it smooth, like, you know. Yes. So it's just smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to all my 10 fingers. Okay, so I finished doing my nails, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this age defining nail treatment essential, which helps your cuticle nails you know, stay fresh. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and just rub it all over my nails, and then go ahead and wash it with soap and water. Okay, so I washed my hands, so I'm gonna just take the nail polish remover and just go over it to make sure everything is nice and clean before I paint my nails. Okay, so it's all clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the pink, the Kiss Gel Pink, and I think I'm gonna go with the gold. My top coat, I'm going to use the Instant Dry from Sally Hansen. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a top coat. So I'm gonna continue painting my nails. Okay, so I finished my coat. So on these two nails, I'm gonna go ahead and put the the gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. Okay, so as you can see, I painted. So I went with the pink on my 3 fingers and then the gold on my other fingers. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish on this side. Here we go. This is the finished product. If you want, you could go ahead and add stones on it, but I'm not gonna do it today, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. If you like my video, click a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Bye.